Of course, this is an excellent goal. Here is a step-by-step plan that synthesizes your vision into a practical framework that anyone, anywhere can begin to implement. The Sovereign Community Model, a step-by-step plan for abundance and interconnection. This plan is built on a core philosophy. True freedom and resilience come from deep interconnection within a community. The goal is not to fight existing systems, but to make them irrelevant by building a better, more fulfilling, and self-sustaining alternative from the ground up. Phase 1. Individual Foundation, the Seed. This phase is about preparing yourself to be a stable, contributing member of the future community. You must first embody the change you wish to see. Step 1. Discover your abundance offering. Self-assessment. Take inventory of your unique skills, passions, and resources. What do you love to do? E.g., gardening, baking, fixing things, organizing, teaching. What tools or assets do you have? E.g., a tiller, a truck, extra space in your yard. This becomes your potential abundance offering, the value you will eventually share with your community. Step 2. Cultivate personal resilience. Start small. Plant a simple garden, even if it's just a few herbs on a windowsill. Learn one new practical skill, like basic food preservation or mending clothes. Led by example. Your personal journey towards self-reliance is your most powerful tool for inspiring others. Phase 2. Neighborhood Connection, the Roots. This phase is about building trust and identifying allies through selfless action. Step 3. Make the first offering. Act without expectation. Begin sharing your abundance offering with your immediate neighbors. Mow a yard for free or a minimal fee. Offer surplus tomatoes. Help with a small repair. Build trust. These initial acts of goodwill are the foundation of community trust. Step 4. Initiate conversations. Listen and learn. As you interact with neighbors, listen to their needs and challenges. Talk about your vision for a more connected neighborhood. Identify allies. You will naturally find others who are receptive to these ideas. These are the first members of your budding community. Phase 3. Community Organization, the Sprout. This phase is about turning individual connections into a coordinated group effort. Step 5. Host the first gathering. Connect and share. Invite your identified allies to an informal potluck or meeting. The goal is simply to strengthen bonds and share ideas. Create a community asset map. Together, map out everyone's skills, resources, and passions. Make the collective's potential visible to all. Who knows plumbing? Who can teach music? Who has a pressure canner? Step 6. Launch a pilot project. Start with a tangible win. Choose one small, highly visible, and achievable project to complete together. Examples: a community compost system, cleaning up a shared space, or building a single raised bed garden for all to use. Build momentum. A shared success will energize the group and attract more interest. Phase 4. System Implementation, the Growth. This phase is about creating the formal systems that foster self-sufficiency in food, skills, and resources. Step 7. Achieve food sovereignty. Establish a community garden. Scale up your pilot project into a full community garden. Create a food loop. Organize workshops on growing, harvesting, preserving, and cooking. Create a system for sharing the bounty, ensuring everyone who contributes receives a share. Step 8. Build an internal economy. Formalize sharing. Turn your asset map into a working system. This could be a skill/barter network, a time bank where hours of work are the currency, or a tool lending library. Redirect resources. This allows income to be redirected inward toward community projects and individual passions, rather than being spent externally for basic needs. Step 9. Pursue water and power independence. Collective utilities. Research and implement community-scale solutions like rainwater harvesting and filtration systems, or a community-owned solar panel array. This is a long-term goal that requires significant organization and collaboration. Phase 5. Intercommunity Connection, the Forest. This phase is about extending your model beyond your immediate neighborhood to build a resilient network of communities. Step 10. Share your blueprint. Document everything. Use your online platforms to document your journey, the successes, failures, and lessons learned. This becomes a guide for others. Inspire and teach. Your story will empower other communities to begin their own journey. Step 11. Build the network. Connect and collaborate. Actively seek out and connect with other communities who are on a similar path. Create abundance through interconnection. Share surplus resources, knowledge, and support between communities. One town's abundance of apples can be traded for another's expertise in solar power, creating a web of mutual support that strengthens everyone. This is how we rise together, independent, yet interconnected.